There's no way I'm driving. What if I crash it? I have a history, you know, crashing cars.
Oh, hell.
Gustavo really let me drive the G80 here, guys. I didn't really film anything, but we'll film it probably when we leave, but he let me drive the G80. What's up, guys? You watched another video. We just made it to this car meet. Dustin Williams is throwing this car meet. You guys probably all know him. I think he brought all of his cars here. What the heck? I thought that was my car. He brought all of his cars here, so there's probably a bunch of GTRs here. I literally just saw this walking up, and I thought it was my car for 1 second. What's up, bro? It's literally my car, guys. This lady Zilla's car. Her car literally is like my twin. Yeah, hers is built though. My shit don't look like this. Our exteriors look the same, but I wish my engine looked like this too. Her car is super fast, guys. Bigger turbos, upgraded transmission. And she has everything done to it. Damn. Yeah, she even shipped it to Texas 2K and was racing it. Look at that little roll bar in the back. Oh, whole roll cage. Damn. I need to do that, honestly. That might be the next mod, guys. After the transmission, of course, but hopefully we don't have to upgrade our trans like her. I know for a fact she spent a lot of money on this car. Man, there's a lot of cars, dude. Look at R32. Wow, this thing is beautiful. Damn, the engine bay is so clean. You literally could like lick the engine bay, bro. That's how clean it is. Some wide body cars. There's gonna be a ton of cars here, guys. I'm really sick. Oh my God, I almost broke my ankle, bro. Look at that hole I just stepped in. I think this is Dustin's new GTR that he just bought that he's trying to give away. Must be nice. I'm trying to win that. This is also his Z. Look, he brought all his cars here. I'm sure you guys know Dustin. He's over there. Has a big YouTube channel too. A 400Z. I kind of like it. You really don't see him much, to be honest. And then his Evo, straight from Fast and Furious. I believe it's like the exact car from Fast and Furious. It's pretty cool to have, bro. That's crazy. Damn, it's really from the movie, huh? From Tokyo Drift? How are they drifting it? Was it rear-wheel drive? That lip is huge, bro. How does he drive that? See, that I'd be scared to put on a tow truck. That's a sick-ass front lip, though. This is his R35. I think he has 2 R35s. But this one's sick, guys. Millennium Jade paint. It's not wrapped. It's actually paint. He did it way long before the wrap even came out. That body kit is crazy. The wheels, the color, everything is sick. Damn, I miss my GTR, guys. I feel like I don't even have one anymore. What's up?
Can we get our poster signed by you, man?
Hey, yeah, let's do it. I got you. Paint is so nice, dude. It's cool that they make a wrap now, though. I'm gonna have the fake one. I'm gonna have the wrap. There's 2. I believe this is R33. I think Dustin has every single GTR. He has R32, 33, 34, and 35. That is goals. That's insane, bro. His R34 is in Japan. I think they're shipping it out here like next year, I think he said. Look at this GTR, guys. This is interesting. I've never seen this livery on a car before. Or this body kit. Look at that. I've never seen that before. What is this body kit? Yeah, I don't know what body kit that is. It looks kind of cool. R33 with the same color scheme. That looks sick. Look at those wheels. Right interior, right-hand drive. Look at little Godzilla. Damn, that wing is sick. You really don't see R33s much, guys. All you see is the 32s a lot. Obviously 35s. And then you never see R34s, of course, but I think R34s are legal next year, correct? I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think eventually we're gonna see so many R34s on the street now. Watch. Once everyone starts shipping them out here, 35, 33, 32. We're literally just missing R34. E92 M3. Sick, bro. One day, I'm gonna buy another one, guys. I promise. One day I will. Some Subies. This is nice. All carbon fiber front end. Kind of want to do all carbon front end on one of my cars, guys. That's sick. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of Subies here. Dustin has like a huge Subi audience, I think. It's like one of my favorites. That shit is hella sick. Bro, that carbon hood is sick, guys. I want a hood, bro. That's the one I want to do next. My front end looks way too stock. Yeah, the fenders are hard too. If I did the hood and fenders, it'd be sick. But this guy did everything. He did spoiler, bumper, front bumper, fenders, hood, and side skirts. He literally changed out every single piece of the car, bro. That's crazy. I think it's the same year as mine too, but it doesn't even look like it. These are hella clean. These are like show cars, literally. Super freaking clean builds. I've always loved S2000s, guys. I just wish they were a little cheaper because they're still super expensive. I wish they were like 10K, but hell no. I think they're like in the 20s still. This thing's nice. It's the homies. 86 BRZ? I don't know what it is. It's the new BRZs, right? Oh no, it's 86 Toyota. It has a digital dash and everything. I like them a lot, bro. Blurple? Damn, that shit's hella sick. There's a lot of R33s here, actually. Look at the little rotary. Yeah, I think he sold it, and now he has this. Damn. All carbon fiber doors, hood, trunk. Looks like show cars. Fresh zapatos?
Oh, yeah.
Fresh kicks car? Kicks about the S15. Damn, sick ass food. Look at all the colorful titanium in there. You guys have seen this one. I showed it in like all my vlogs recently. What if I buy that F80, guys, with the T's? What if I just polish the wheels like this? Change it up. Look how shiny they are. It's literally like a mirror, bro. 350Z engine. How crazy is that? My boy really put a 350Z motor in an S15. Probably the first in the world, honestly. And then this Supra that we might be doing a video with soon, guys. I hit him up. We might do a little car review with him. It's like some crazy Supra. I don't really know all the specs, but obviously when we do the video, he'll explain to you guys what it is. But I'm pretty sure it makes 1,000 horsepower. Look at all the pink in there. That's crazy. And it has like a front end that's supposedly like super rare. It doesn't look like a Supra from the front, but now you guys can see it. It is a Supra Mark IV. What do you guys think about that front end? I think it's like a super freaking top secret body kit. Super rare kit. This guy put a lot of work into this. Big ass wing. Got an NSX. NSX with some mag blue TEs. See, everyone has TEs nowadays, guys. And if I get this F80, I'm about to be part of them. We got Chris's car. He drove all the way from San Diego to come to this meet. He's crazy, huh? This thing's hella clean too. The purple. This purple's fire. Like this wrap, I feel like you don't really see it often. He's like the only one with it. It's like a lavender purple. Fresh zapatos?
What's up, Holmes?
Since you're wearing today?
I'm on the Feezies, fool.
It's a Z06 C8. And this shit does not sound like a V8. It sounds like a Ferrari or something. Z06. It's like the second one I've seen so far. But watch, just hear it, guys. It does not sound like a regular V8. Guys, believe it or not, that shit makes over 1,000 horsepower. And it looks completely stock, bro. Stock wheels. He did nothing to it, not even a front lip. And you would think it's stock, but hell nah. You can get gapped. My twin. My fast twin. God, that shit sounds crazy. Huh? Hi, guys. Oh, our car is crazy, guys. This shit is insane.
Yeah, you do.
You can tell, bro, like how it sounds. It does not sound like my car.
All over Nick.
All over me, bro. It sounds built, like you can tell. It does not sound like my GTR at all.
Shit, low-key kind of sounds like a Z.
Supra? Damn, that color's crazy. Right-hand drive? Swing it! Swing it!
Should I? Watch this. Hold on, I got it.
I thought you was about to do it. Look at the big old exhaust. Damn, that shit nice. I know, this sounds sick, huh? Look at the little roof scoop.
I got you, man.
Damn, look at the interior, guys. All Alcantara. Man, that shit's nice. Sounds good, huh?
Yeah, that sounds good, dude.
Tiny, guys, one of my favorite GTRs. Which is hella nice. Guys, so I guess this NSX has a Porsche GT3 RS exhaust. Comes off a Porsche, bro.
So Nick just let us know this has a GT3 RS.
Isn't that crazy, though?
That is crazy. It sounds good too.
It fits. That's crazy. It's like F80 on TEs. Damn. There's a new taillights too.
By the condenser.
Thing's hella nice.
It's
I'm telling you guys, we're this close. Almost. Possibly next week. Are you guys excited? I'm excited, bro. I cannot wait till we have a freaking F80 on the channel. It's gonna be so sick. I already have so many plans for that car, and I don't even have it. And I already have a bunch of companies hitting me up for sponsorships and stuff like that. So, well, the content's gonna be lit once we get that car. Sheesh. All the cars. BMW stripes? They all have the same livery, all three of them. Look guys, 4-star wheels. We used to have those on my E92 if you guys remember. I haven't seen these wheels in so long. They're the same wheels I had. Yeah guys, this is my homie's R35. It's literally completely built, like literally. You would not tell though. If you seen this thing on the freeway, you would think it's a stock GTR. He doesn't have anything. He even said, he's probably gonna get mad at me for showing it, but he tried to make the aftermarket intercooler look stock with like the stock piping and all that. Just to make it look as stock as possible, bro. Stock wheels, Everything is stock. Stock. Interior looks pretty stock too. You would never tell that this thing makes about 1,500 horsepower. That's insane, bro. My car looks 1,500 horsepower. My fat tires, my 18-inch wheels, and his actually makes the power. He needs my wheel setup. God, bro, I want an R32 so bad, guys. I always said it. It's gonna be my first right-hand drive car that I buy, an R32. Oh, my bad. My boy's getting the shots. That's what I need, bro. I could be vlogging at the car meet so easy. Don't even walk. You want to see me making vlogs like that, guys. Damn, that thing is fire. And it's red. Might be a little, that FindingNick spec, huh? I need a red car again, guys. Supra, another one? Gustavo said he almost got one of those, guys, instead of the G80. Imagine? It would have been cool, but shit like brand new. That shit for sure gonna have problems.
Gotta fix everything.
Alright guys, we out. Gustavo's gonna let me drive it again. He just doesn't want to drive. Oh my god, bro, I almost sat on this hard ass carbon fiber. What the? I always forget that the button's right here, guys. BMW wanted to copy GTRs.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25, I'm thinking God